So the first thing that I'm going to teach you is, or show you, is how to insert an equation into your lab handout. So in order to do this, for each section of the lab, you should have one example of each calculation you performed for each section. So in order to do this, you're going to go up to Insert. You're going to click over here on Equation, and it will open up a dialog box for you. I don't know why it's showing it. Okay, so it opens up a dialog box for you. So once you've done that, you're going to go into Design. Nope, you're going to click on this and it will open up Design. And then you're going to start typing your equation. So to determine the time for the marble to fall, we use D is equal to VI, so V subscript I, so I'm going to go up to script, VI, T, plus 1/2 A, and then T squared. So I'm going to go back up to script, and I'm going to click the superscript. Okay. I have the original equation with no numbers. Then I'm going to copy this equation. I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to fill in the numbers. So -1, whatever my distance is. My initial velocity is 0. My acceleration is -9.8. And I'm going to solve for t. So t is equal to 0.45 seconds. So now I have a sample calculation. I have the original equation with no units or no numbers. I have the numbers plugged in, and then I have my final answer.